Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to install a flushed LED chandelier. My husband will be doing an installation. As you can see, it's installed in the middle fixture up on the second level. And I liked it so much that I got 3 of them to go in all 3 of the fixtures. So it looks like this coming out of the box. As you can see, very pretty, very pretty. And after we're done, we're gonna do a tutorial on how to get it installed, and I'm gonna leave the details for the product if you'd like to purchase it down below. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the final product of the lights. As you can see, they're really beautiful, and it comes with the remote right here. As you can see the remote, you can pretty much change the mode and the lighting of it. So you can change the warm, a little less warm. This one is looking kind of weird right now, but you can pretty much change the lighting of it and make it as bright as you want or as light as you want. But they're really pretty, and it pretty much goes all the way through our top upstairs. So it just adds the value to the house. Like little things like this is the first change that I made right here. This is our chandelier over our foyer. It's like a 20-foot foyer. So this is the first change I made. We changed a few ceiling fans. We'll have a tutorial coming on putting up a chandelier based ceiling fan coming as well. But this is the look right here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.